So here we are, Stone Creek Ranch, my new Gehan home. Here's my front door where my trim guys come in and fixed it. The video doesn't really show it, but if you look at all the doors in this front entranceway, every one of them's a different height. So the first front door, 80 and 7/8. Bedroom door, 81. Closet door, 81 and a quarter. Bathroom door, 81 and 3/8. Here's what my carpenter can fix. Basically those three doors are not at the same height, but he's lined up the tops of all the trim so it looks like it's the same height. Then he's gone in and replaced some of the risers where they were short, real short, or like this one here where there was no reveal. So that's pretty cosmetic. He fixed that up. That's not too bad. Here we look at the front entranceway. I paid extra money for that door, by the way. The walls aren't level. The jamb is so-so. But if we look around at the top of the door, you can see that there's a big giant gap on the right side that tapers down to nothing on the left side. And then if we look at the door's sitting crooked in the opening. So if we look at the top over here, where the door is, we can see the reveal. It's kind of thin, and as we work our way down, it steadily grows, is warped, bent. Not really much you can do. There's brick mold on the other side. So basically the door is set in the opening very poorly. They didn't level it, and if we put a level on the edge of the door, we can see that the door is not level. The way that they cheated it out is they moved all the hinges. So if we look here, here's a hinge set where it belongs. Here's the second one, down a little lower, and here's the third one. They pulled it out 1/4 of an inch, and that's how they cheated out the door so it looks flush. Is it? No. That's my front entranceway. There's 3 doors that lead to the exterior. Well, 2 actually, 1 goes to the garage. So let's look at the one that goes to the garage. One that goes to the garage is kind of set right. Down at the bottom, it's flush with the jamb. As we come all the way up, it grows and it sticks out like 1/4 inch. The camera doesn't really do it justice, but again, here's another poorly set door. If we look at the reveals, we can see not a very good job on anything. The bottoms, all caulk joints. Everything is caulk, lots of caulk. This door isn't bad, but as we walk around, we can see they're all caulk. This is my front doors. There's one more door in the rear. Let's go look at that one.